Hello, it's Mercedes and I'm going to show you how to use a website called English Exercises. So we're going to type in the address here. You can just write, you see it comes up already. It's englishexercises.org and then press return and the website will come up here, englishexercises.org, as you can see here. Now down on this side on the left you will see there's vocabulary, and if you scroll down you will see all the different things that the vocabulary covers all down here. On the right hand side you can see grammar and all the different things that you can do here. So we're going to pick one. We're going to pick here, you can see the past simple. So we'll click on it, just click, and you'll see here lots of exercises come up. Now beside the exercises it tells you what level they are. So this one, for example, is elementary. As we go down, you'll see the level, and you can pick the ones you want to do. There are lots here. This level is intermediate, so this is a little bit more difficult. And you can see at the bottom here of the page, that's how many pages there are. So there are lots and lots of exercises for you to choose from. So we're just going to click on one. This first one, we just click on it and it comes up again, and we click again. And there we have the exercise. And it says here, write the verbs in past tense. Okay, and we've got clean, and we just type cleaned. It's a regular verb. And then we go down, cook, cooked. When we're finished all of our work, we can press done. And you'll see here I've not passed because I've not put in all of the answers. When we're finished our exercise, we can go back and we can go back to the main page, and again all of our vocabulary exercises, all of our grammar. If we scroll down a little bit, you can see here there is some reading exercises and some listening exercises. So we can click on here, listening, and again need to check the level. This is an intermediate one, and this is an elementary one, and you just click on whichever one you would like to use, and then you can practice any of the English you want to practice.